Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Room Persistence Library for Android, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up the Room Persistence Library for your Android project, start by opening your Android Studio. Create a new project if you haven't done so already. Select a template, like Empty Activity, and click Next. Name your project and choose a package name. Choose your preferred language, either Java or Kotlin, and click Finish. Once your project is loaded, navigate to the build.gradle. In the Dependencies section, add the Room library dependencies. For Kotlin, include these lines: implementation Android.Room or Room Runtime 2.5.0, annotation processor Android.Room or Room. Create a new data class to represent your entity. Annotate this class with that entity and specify the table name if desired. Define the fields within the class and annotate them with a primary key for the primary key. To enable data access, create a DAO interface. Define your database operations, like inserting, updating, and deleting entities. Annotate each method with the appropriate Room annotations like @insert, @update, and @delete. Now, it's time to create the Room database. Create an abstract class that extends Room database. Annotate this class with a database and list your entities and version number. Inside the class, create an abstract method that returns your DAO. Implement the singleton pattern for your database instance. In your main activity or wherever you need the database, get an instance of the Room database using Room.DatabaseBuilder. Use the database instance to access the DAO and perform database operations. That's it. You've successfully set up the Room Persistence Library in your Android project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.